Now, would you buy a $20 chewing gum dispenser? I don't know. Personally, I didn't buy one, but Quip offered to send me their chewing gum dispenser and a sample of their gum to try out. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be seeing if it's worth it. How's the gum? Let's get into it. So if you haven't heard about Quip, basically they are a toothbrush company. They make all types of like toothbrushes, accessories, floss, different types of things. Somehow my channel, I have like reviewed basically every single thing that they've come out with. I reviewed their smart toothbrush, their regular toothbrush, their floss dispenser, their water flosser, like all type of stuff. So check that out if you're interested. A while ago, I don't know, maybe even a few years ago, they came out with gum and I had never tried it out. Basically how it works is there is a dispenser, and I'm kind of exaggerating a little bit with it being $20, but not really. Basically, if you get the standalone dispenser, it is $20, but they do have less expensive options as well. So it's $10 if you want to get the metal version. There's a few different pricing options available. So there's the $20 version. If you get the metal, but you do not want an ongoing subscription, then that will be $20 for the gum dispenser. Or if you want the metal version with a subscription, that is $10. Or you can actually get the white plastic version for free, but it looks like all of the fun colors are really more in the metal version. So they sent me this one to try out and I have not opened it yet. I've not tried the gum. So let's open it up. So it comes in this little like canister thing, and this is the all black gum dispenser. And I actually just did a review of the all black rechargeable toothbrush from Quip. So this seems like it would like kind of match with that if you want like an all monochromatic black look going on. Okay, so let's open up this canister. So this is recyclable. It's like a little black sphere thing. And so it has a sticker here. So I'm just gonna take that off. It's a little hard to take off the sticker, but I'm very curious about this because I'm gonna be honest, I've tried Quip toothpaste. I do use their toothpaste like pretty regularly. It's just okay. Like it's fine. Like it's very average toothpaste in my opinion. So I'm interested to see like the flavor of this, like how strong it is. Okay, so here's the inside. It has a little like, I don't know, what is this, like instructions? Okay, so it tells you how the dispenser works. Okay, let me read this. Okay, so it seems basically like a Pez dispenser. So here it is in the little container here. Ooh. I mean, it's very nice and sleek looking. I do really like it. I don't know, so far so good. So you take this, okay, pinch and pull out. So you pinch and this part pulls up and then you have to like stock it with, oh, okay. This is literally a Pez dispenser. This is a Pez dispenser. So you can kind of see there's these two little like pieces. So this is where the gum goes and then it sticks into here. Okay, and they sent me a gum refill. So this is what the gum refill looks like. This is a lot of gum. I feel like this is like a big container full of gum. I don't know, am I crazy? This is supposed to last 3 months, so let's open it up. Okay. Okay, so the gum refills come in this box. And then on the back, it has the nutrition facts. There's 90 pieces per container. So it's basically enough for one piece of gum every single day in the 3 months. And each one is 5 calories. Okay, and then let's open it up. So it's kind of taped shut here. So, ooh, look at that. That is really pretty. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting with this gum refill. There's like a lot that's going into this. This is not just like normal gum. This is like fancy gum. Okay, so then it comes in these individual containers. So let's fill up the dispenser. So we have to open this up. It's kind of hard to open this. Let's see. Okay. How the heck do you open this thing? I see. It's like perforated here. I don't know if you can see that there's like a little perforation. Ugh, okay. That was a little hard to open, I'm not gonna lie, but I got it. So I have this open. Is there a better way to do this? Like, it's kind of hard to like get it in there. Okay, so I've got all of them except one that I lost on the ground. Then we'll close this back up. Okay, so there's like a little bit of tension here. There we go. We have officially put our first dispenser in there. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how I feel about this so far because like, I don't think this is any less packaging than a regular gum dispenser. I don't know. But moment of truth, let's try the gum. Okay, so I'm gonna dispense my first piece of gum and I'm gonna see how long the flavor lasts, what it tastes like. Okay, so you pop it up and then it dispenses one piece here. Okay, the gum is very cute. Look at this. It has a little like tongue mouth on it. Okay, first impressions on the flavor. It does have a very strong minty flavor. I think it actually tastes pretty good. It's kind of like a sweet mint, like more of like a, I don't know, like a spearmint. What is the flavor? I think the gum pieces are supposed to just like slide in and like this is supposed to open. Look at the picture here. Like I feel like this picture, it shows the gum like neatly going in. Mine didn't go in like that, but I don't know how else I'm supposed to open this. Like does this whole thing slide in some different way? I don't know. But anyway, back to the flavor of the gum. I feel like it does have a nice minty flavor. The initial texture is a little bit crumbly. I think that's because it's starting from like a solid going to like a gum. So it's a little bit of like a crumbly texture, but then after you kind of have it in your mouth for a minute, it kind of loses that crumbly texture. It definitely does have a little bit of like an artificial sweetener flavor. So it does have xylitol in it, which I believe is like a sugar alcohol that makes things sweet without having sugar. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol, and according to Healthline, xylitol is a similar sweetness as regular sugar, but contains 40% fewer calories, 2.4 calories per gram compared to table sugar, which has 4 calories per gram. So a little bit less calories, but I mean, honestly, like even if they put regular sugar in, it would be fine, but I'm sure that they're going for like the healthy option and you don't want like regular sugar just like rubbing up against your teeth. I'm gonna keep chewing this thing and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit and see how the flavor is continuing. So I've been chewing this gum for about 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna be honest, I feel like most of the flavor is gone. Like, I don't know, it's not unpleasant. Like I would keep chewing this, but it's not like, it just doesn't have like that strong of a flavor anymore. So yeah, I would say it probably lasts like 20 minutes, but I could probably chew this for like 30 or 40 minutes maybe. Like it wouldn't have that much flavor at this point, but it hasn't turned into like an unpleasant flavor. Yeah, the flavor definitely faded pretty fast. So I've been kind of like messing around with this dispenser. This thing is legitimately like kind of a weapon. Look at this. I did not know it did this. Look at this. Did you see that? Did you see that? Look at this. This thing is like a gum catapult. Like, I don't know why they made it like that. It literally like shoots out the gum. Before I realized it did that, I lost like half the gum. Definitely be careful and don't let your gum go flying to the ground. That's all I have to say. Okay, so all in all, my thoughts on this are, I think the gum tastes pretty good, but the flavor doesn't last that long. I also like this dispenser. I feel like the dispenser is very nice and sleek, and it's kind of like a more elevated gum dispenser than normally you would get with just like a box of gum. But I would say the biggest downsides are the upfront costs, although the refill costs are pretty low. It's only like $2 or $3 for refills every 3 months, which is like basically nothing. So the refills are really, really cheap on this. So I do like that. Although, I don't know, I feel like the refill process is a little bit annoying. That's my thoughts on it. Also, the other thing to keep in mind is there's no like wrapper on individual pieces of gum. So normally if you use that to like spit out your gum, you won't have a wrapper. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But anyway, I hope you liked this video, found it helpful. Let me know if you're considering buying Quip Gum. And if you do, I do have a discount code. It will save you some money on any of the Quip products, as well as it does give me a small commission if you do use that. So it's a win-win if you do check out the link and code down below. Anyway, until next time, bye.